Welcome. If you want a little more privacy on Instagram, especially when using it on your PC, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to hide your activity status on Instagram web using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Instagram web. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the menu. From that menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can control different parts of your account. Next, look for the section labeled Messages and Story Replies. Click on it. This is where Instagram keeps all the settings related to messaging and interactions. Now, within this section, you'll see an option called Activity Status. Go ahead and click on that. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle labeled Show Activity Status. If this is turned on, other people can see when you're active or when you were last online. To hide your activity, simply switch this toggle off. And that's it. Your activity status is now